Hi everybody, I'm here with a super quick tip for today. This is a small 5x5 jelly plate. I'm going to show you a very simple way of cleaning that jelly plate. You can use water and a paper towel or a baby wipe, but an easy thing to do is to take packing tape, right, which you could buy at a drugstore, grocery store, lots of different places. Amazon has it. And you're just going to use that. I have a piece right here to pull off your paint. And I'm going to show you that really quickly. So I just lay it down and rub it, make sure I've got it on there nice, and pull. And look at that. Now sometimes a little gets left behind, but you can just do a second round of it, especially on the edges where the paint tends to cake up. And some people like to take this and glue it down into their art journals and do some work over it for a little bit of extra color and texture. Thanks for watching.